Good, sir. Even though he's new, last time he kind of threw you around a little bit. Ready? Fight! Oh, he ain't playing today. Kick! Watch the face, gentlemen. I need someone on the ground. Don't look at me. I'm not fighting you. Break! Break! Stop! Fight! Fight back, sir! Not the face, sir. Bring your punches down. Punch him on the pad at the face. Fast, hard punches. Kicks. Hard kicks. Knee strikes. Roll. Grab hold of him and roll over. Roll over. Keep rolling. Roll the other way. Good job, sir. Way to roll. Put your forearm in his throat. Break. Stop, gentlemen. You think you're stronger than him? So are you stronger than him? Good. One more clash. Fight! He punched you into the wall. Watch the face, sir. Bring your punches down, sir. Move to the side, sir. Move to the side. Right. Big. So he's kind of bullying you around a little bit. You kind of moving around. Usually you're the one moving people around. Is that why you were staring at him during class? Oh, I saw you. Don't think I didn't. And he's been laughing at you when you weren't here. One more shot at him? Good. Fight! Bring your punches down, sir. Bring him out of his face. Punch him pad. Grab him. Throw him on the ground. Gotta roll. Punch. Good job. Get ready, get him. Break, what happened? You hurt your knee? Break, neutral stance. You said, oh, okay. So what happened?
I tried to kick him on the knee pad, but I just kicked him in the mouth.
Okay, that's not, you didn't do it on purpose, right? You did it on purpose? That's the wrong thing to tell me.
On purpose or accident?
An accident?
Okay. All right. Come on, sir. Let's go back here. Let me see. Turn around. Let me see. Okay, you'll be okay. You're not hurt. Ready? That's why we need the mouthpieces. Ready? Bow at each other. Bow. Salute here. Shake. Shake hands. Shake hands. Okay.